Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to earn money with JumpTask in 2026. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for jumptask.io, which is the official website of JumpTask. When you are here, click on the option of sign in on the top right hand corner of the screen. Here you can sign in with the help of your Google account very easily. Once you do this, you will get access to your JumpTask dashboard, the interface of which is going to look something like this. So over here on the top right hand corner of the screen, you will see your total earnings. As you can see, currently I don't have any earnings available. So here, in order to basically earn from JumpTask, you need to look for the tasks, the surveys, the videos or any kind of offers. So click on the option of on, then it is going to show you the task. So you can click on the option of learn more in that particular task in which you are basically interested. After that, you just have to basically follow that particular task. For example, let's say for this particular task, I need to link my X account to the jump task and then click on the option of the follow button and then interact with the post. So you need to do all of these things and then you are going to get this much amount of jump task points in your account and it will be available in your earnings section on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, the another method of getting or earning money on JumpTask is by referring your friends. So as you can see, you will get 10% lifetime bonus of those people whom you refer here on the platform. So simply get your referral ID or your referral link from here. Click on the option of copy and it will be copied. Now you can start promoting this link on social media. You don't need to do the tasks yourself. You can just simply invite your friends and then you can basically earn money very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.